Hey guys, I got this at Second and Charles. It is Cyclops. He came with this. I forgot what the name of it is. Tell me in the comment section below. You put it in his hand right here, the left hand. You can put it up to his eye. I don't remember him using it in the movie at all. You can move his elbow, move his hands, and both his elbows. Move his arm, move his head, move his mouth, move his legs. You press this button if you want him to move his mouth. Don't only press that button, press the like button also. This is the blood splattered version. Not completely splattered, but there's a little blood right there. I don't remember in Cyclops actually doing anything in the movie. Literally. He did like nothing that would cause him to have blood on his mouth. Unless I didn't see the full movie and he actually did. Yeah. I got it for $8. Pretty good bargain. Since online it's like $20. And yeah. This is the video of me getting this. It did not come in box, repeating. It did not come in box. If it came in box, that would be cool. Because it's actually selling online if it's in box for a lot. Mostly on eBay for a lot. But yeah, this is probably my favorite retro other than this, other than Pinhead. Let me put him back on my bed. And yeah, that was Cyclops, and see ya in the next video. Please subscribe. I'm lonely.